So, firstly, why you should do this course? Because if you like psychology or if you like to understand the human mind, most important, why is it such an interesting course to do is that this is the only course which actually connects theory to practice. So whatever theories you learn on psychology, ultimately you cannot practice them without being able to do psychometric testing and some kind of a place where you can tell people what they're good at and understanding own self. So that is the fundamental reason why I thought I should do this course, and I enrolled for this program. The second thing is that the connection between theory and practice is very beautifully brought out in the form of 4 tests, and where the motives, needs, and the preferential style of understanding is something which is brought out beautifully. 2 more important things why you should be doing this course is that you will find wonderful peers with you and you will collaborate with them for a lifetime. I did this course with a wonderful set of other students who did it with us and with me, and we formed a group called Badmash Company. So we are going to be in touch for life because we would be collaborating here on. And the most important reason why you should be doing this course is because the faculty who's going to be conducting is gorgeous. She is a wonderful human being, and there is a huge balance which is not found generally between her accessibility and exclusivity. She is accessible in conduct. It doesn't come across as a typical professor or somebody who's going to be reading out or going to be telling you things. She'll make it very relatable. At the same time, she's quite exclusive in her knowledge. So she has a lot of knowledge and she has this ability to joke about herself. So the atmosphere in which you learn is very congenial. So I have gained a lot from it, and I would be following it up with another course. Thank you very much. And thank you, Middle Earth.